Many individuals experience feelings of overwhelming anxiety and racing thoughts. Ancient Buddhist wisdom offers a pathway to inner calm and mental clarity. The principles of mindfulness can help to alleviate anxiety and promote a sense of peace. Through meditation, one can achieve a state of tranquility and reduced mental agitation. Mindfulness meditation involves focusing attention on the present moment. Key elements of mindfulness meditation include observing breath, sensations, and thoughts. Mindfulness meditation emphasizes non-judgmental observation of internal experiences. This practice creates a pause between stimulus and reaction. Mindfulness meditation enhances awareness and reduces automatic responses. Mindful breathing reduces anxiety. Mindfulness clears mental clutter. Mindful breathing builds emotional resilience. Mindfulness helps regain control over mind. Mindfulness helps regain control over body. Each breath contributes to an overall state of calm and well-being. Forgiveness, whether directed towards oneself or others, disrupts the cycle of resentment. Resentment and self-blame perpetuate stress and anxiety. Breaking this cycle is essential for mental well-being. Forgiveness promotes emotional healing and reduces psychological burden. Self-compassion is a key component of self-forgiveness. Forgiveness is a gradual process that necessitates patience, compassion, and understanding. Releasing past burdens allows the heart to feel lighter and the mind to become free. Patience is essential for navigating the complexities and challenges inherent in the forgiveness process. Compassion and understanding are critical components for achieving genuine forgiveness and inner peace. Intentional living involves aligning thoughts, words, and actions with one's deepest values. This approach contrasts with drifting through life driven by fear or habit. Intentionality promotes conscious decision-making and purposeful behavior. Living intentionally requires self-awareness and reflection on personal values. The result is a life lived with greater purpose, fulfillment, and authenticity. Clarifying priorities directs energy towards fulfillment. Setting meaningful goals focuses the mind on what truly matters. Intentional living reduces mental overwhelm. Focusing on priorities simplifies decision-making process. Meaningful goals provide a sense of purpose and direction. Generosity involves giving time, attention, or acts of kindness to others. Compassion entails understanding and alleviating the suffering of others. Acts of generosity and compassion shift focus from self-centered worry. Meaningful connection is fostered through outward-focused actions. Kindness promotes a sense of shared humanity and mutual support. Focusing on others cultivates empathy and reduces personal anxiety. Small acts of generosity generate positive energy. Generosity enhances emotional resilience. Acts of generosity foster mental clarity. Positive energy, emotional resilience, and mental clarity contribute to a peaceful mindset. A balanced mindset promotes overall well-being. Self-reflection and introspection enhance awareness and control over one's mind. Observing thoughts and emotions honestly aids in identifying patterns that trigger anxiety. Increased self-awareness allows for proactive management of emotional responses. Consistent introspection fosters a deeper understanding of personal motivations and behaviors. Meditation facilitates self-reflection, allowing individuals to replace negative thought patterns. Through self-reflection, meditation promotes mental clarity and emotional calm. Consistent meditation practice cultivates inner wisdom and balanced perspectives. The self-reflection process transforms negative mental loops into positive cognitive states. Equanimity is defined as maintaining mental calmness and composure, especially in a difficult situation. Inner balance helps one remain calm amidst life's challenges. Equanimity involves accepting impermanence as a fundamental aspect of existence. It requires acknowledging and embracing the constant flow of change. By accepting change, one can navigate life's difficulties with greater resilience and stability. Equanimity enables clear and composed responses to challenges. Responding with equanimity enhances resilience. Equanimity promotes emotional stability. Clarity and composure are key benefits of equanimity. Anxiety often stems from comparison, pride, and attachment to a fixed sense of self. Perceiving the self as fluid and interconnected allows for releasing ego-driven thoughts. Ego release involves recognizing the impermanent nature of thoughts and emotions. Detachment from a rigid self-image reduces the intensity of emotional reactions. Interconnectedness emphasizes the shared human experience, diminishing feelings of isolation. Releasing ego promotes humility, fostering a more grounded perspective. Ego release cultivates compassion, enhancing empathy and understanding towards others. Emotional liberation arises from ego release, freeing oneself from limiting beliefs and self-centeredness. Reducing mental pressure is a key benefit of ego release, leading to increased mental clarity and peace. Deeper connections with others are formed through ego release, fostering genuine relationships and understanding. Ego release facilitates a shift from self-focus to a broader awareness of the world and others. Sharing experiences builds empathy by allowing individuals to understand different perspectives and emotional states. Offering help to others reduces isolation and fosters a sense of community and mutual support. Learning from others enhances emotional resilience by providing new coping strategies and problem-solving approaches. Supportive relationships strengthen emotional resilience by providing a buffer against stress and adversity. The combination of shared experiences, helping behaviors, and mutual learning cultivates stronger, more resilient social bonds. Mindful connection fosters a supportive network, promoting calmness and confidence. A positive network reinforces personal growth through shared understanding and mutual support. Navigating anxiety becomes easier with the support and understanding of a connected community. Shared experiences within a community provide a foundation for empathy and mutual aid. Open communication channels facilitate the exchange of ideas and emotional support within the network. Building strong relationships within a community contributes to overall well-being and resilience. Life unfolds gradually, and resisting this natural flow generates stress. Mindful patience involves accepting the present moment without judgment. Rigid expectations can hinder the ability to appreciate the natural progression of events. Cultivating patience allows for a more harmonious interaction with the world's inherent rhythms. Letting go of control and embracing uncertainty fosters a sense of peace and adaptability. Patience, when coupled with compassion, enhances an individual's resilience. Cultivating patience can lead to a reduction in anxiety levels. Patience fosters a calm and focused mental state. The combination of patience and compassion creates a positive feedback loop, reinforcing mental well-being. Practicing patience and compassion can lead to long-term improvements in mental and emotional health. Continuous engagement with new knowledge maintains an active and inspired mind. Acquiring new skills enhances cognitive resilience. Exposure to novel experiences fosters mental agility. Continuous learning contributes to overall mental well-being. An active, inspired, and resilient mind is achieved through continuous learning. Lifelong learning enhances self-confidence. Continuous learning reduces mental rigidity. Sustained intellectual engagement promotes emotional stability. Lifelong learning fosters adaptability and resilience. Consistent acquisition of new knowledge supports overall well-being. Thoughtful budgeting involves planning how to spend and save money. Prioritizing needs over wants helps to make informed financial decisions. Wise resource management includes tracking expenses and identifying areas for savings. Effective financial planning reduces stress by providing a sense of control. Reduced financial stress frees mental energy for other pursuits. Mindful spending habits contribute to long-term financial well-being. Aligning financial habits with personal values promotes a sense of security. Financial mindfulness enhances clarity in decision-making processes. Adopting mindful financial practices fosters a greater sense of control over one's finances. Improved financial well-being contributes to enhanced mental well-being. Mindful financial management reduces anxiety related to monetary concerns. Financial mindfulness creates a positive feedback loop, reinforcing beneficial financial behaviors. Prioritizing self-care enhances one's capacity to effectively support others. Acts of service foster feelings of gratitude, empathy, and interpersonal connection. Balanced self-care and acts of service create a positive feedback loop for overall well-being. Nurturing personal well-being and contributing to others' welfare are mutually reinforcing. Balancing self-care with community service strengthens mental well-being. Community service enhances interpersonal relationships through shared experiences and mutual support. Engaging in community service fosters a sense of purpose and meaning in life. Combining self-care and community engagement creates a holistic approach to personal and social well-being. A purpose-driven life, integrating personal wellness and social contribution, leads to greater fulfillment. Mindfulness meditation encompasses techniques designed to reduce anxiety through focused attention. Breath awareness meditation involves focusing solely on the sensation of each inhale and exhale. Body scan meditation systematically directs attention to different parts of the body, noticing sensations without judgment. Regular practice of mindfulness meditation can lead to a sustained reduction in anxiety levels. Mindfulness techniques enhance self-awareness and promote emotional regulation. Forgiveness exercises involve reflective practices to promote emotional healing. Writing letters of forgiveness is a tool for processing emotions and releasing resentment. Self-compassion practices cultivate kindness and understanding towards oneself. These exercises aim to facilitate forgiveness and promote inner peace. Intentional goal setting involves aligning objectives with core personal values. The process begins with identifying and prioritizing key personal values. Actionable steps are created to translate broad goals into manageable tasks. Regular review and adjustment ensures goals remain aligned with evolving values and circumstances. Volunteering time and donating to charity are simple acts of generosity. Acts of generosity have a positive impact on mental well-being. Generosity fosters a sense of connection and community. Giving back to others can reduce stress and increase feelings of self-worth. Charitable acts contribute to a more compassionate and supportive society. Self-reflection prompts guide individuals to explore their thoughts, emotions, and experiences through journaling. Journaling fosters self-awareness by encouraging the documentation and analysis of personal feelings and reactions. Regular journaling can lead to improved emotional regulation and stress management. Prompts are designed to stimulate introspection and deeper understanding of one's internal state. The act of writing allows for a structured examination of complex or overwhelming emotions. Consistent self-reflection through journaling supports personal growth and self-discovery. Equanimity involves maintaining mental calmness and composure, especially in challenging situations. Accepting impermanence is a key practice for cultivating equanimity. Non-attachment is another crucial element in developing equanimity. Cultivating equanimity helps in effectively coping with life's inevitable changes and difficulties. Equanimity practices promote emotional stability and resilience in the face of adversity. Ego-driven thoughts and behaviors can be observed through mindful attention. Mindful observation involves recognizing ego-driven impulses without judgment. The practice of letting go reduces the need for control and external validation. Observing ego-driven thoughts creates space for more balanced perspectives. Consistent practice in mindful observation cultivates inner peace and reduces ego influence. Actively listening to others is essential for building supportive relationships. Offering empathy helps create a safe and understanding environment. Seeking help when needed strengthens relationships and promotes personal well-being. Nurturing supportive relationships requires consistent effort and mutual respect. Practicing patience in daily life reduces stress and frustration. Waiting in line offers an opportunity to cultivate patience. Dealing with traffic can be a practice in patience and mindfulness. Mindful breathing exercises can aid in developing patience. Recognizing and accepting delays fosters greater patience. Consistent practice of patience leads to improved emotional regulation. Continuous learning is facilitated through diverse resources such as books, online courses, and workshops. Books offer in-depth knowledge and structured learning paths for continuous self-improvement. Online courses provide flexible and interactive learning experiences accessible from various devices. Workshops offer hands-on training and collaborative learning environments for skill development. These resources stimulate intellectual curiosity and promote personal and professional growth. Budgeting templates are essential tools for effective financial planning. Debt management strategies can significantly reduce financial stress and improve overall financial health. Financial planning tools provide resources to help individuals gain control over their finances. Effective budgeting and debt management contribute to long-term financial stability and security. Yoga is a self-care activity that promotes relaxation and well-being through physical postures. Meditation is a self-care practice involving focused attention to calm the mind and reduce stress. Spending time in nature is a self-care activity that can improve mood and reduce anxiety. Self-care activities like yoga, meditation, and nature walks contribute to overall mental and physical health. Consistent engagement in relaxation techniques can lead to long-term improvements in well-being. Community engagement opportunities include volunteering at local organizations. Participating in community events is another avenue for engagement. Volunteering fosters social connections and contributes to community well-being. Community engagement initiatives strengthen social bonds and promote civic responsibility. Mindful eating involves paying attention to the sensory experience of food and the body's hunger cues. Integrating mindfulness into walking involves focusing on the sensations of each step and the surrounding environment. Mindful working encourages full attention on the task at hand, reducing distractions and enhancing focus. Practicing mindfulness throughout the day helps to stay present and reduce stress. Mindfulness can be integrated into any daily routine by consciously focusing on the present moment. Consistent mindfulness practice cultivates a greater sense of awareness and well-being. Practicing gratitude involves actively recognizing and appreciating the positive aspects of one's life. A gratitude list is a tool for systematically identifying and recording things for which one is thankful. Expressing appreciation to others strengthens relationships and fosters a positive social environment. Consistent gratitude practices can lead to increased happiness and overall well-being. Gratitude exercises can be easily integrated into daily routines to cultivate a more appreciative mindset. Deep breathing exercises are effective for managing stress and anxiety. Progressive muscle relaxation involves tensing and releasing different muscle groups to reduce tension. Consistent practice of relaxation techniques can lead to a significant reduction in overall stress levels. Relaxation techniques promote a state of calmness by activating the parasympathetic nervous system. Self-compassion involves treating oneself with kindness during difficult times. Practicing self-compassion includes offering understanding to oneself when facing challenges. Kindness towards oneself is a key component of self-compassion. Self-compassion encourages a supportive inner dialogue rather than self-criticism. Cultivating self-compassion can lead to increased emotional resilience and well-being. Setting healthy boundaries involves establishing clear limits in relationships. Assertive communication is key to expressing one's needs and expectations effectively. Healthy boundaries protect personal well-being and foster mutual respect. Assertiveness training provides tools for confidently communicating boundaries. Developing resilience involves employing effective coping mechanisms to manage stress and adversity. Reframing negative thoughts is a key coping mechanism for building mental resilience. Seeking social support provides emotional resources and strengthens resilience. Coping mechanisms help individuals adapt and thrive in challenging situations. Effective coping strategies contribute to long-term well-being and psychological health. Mindful communication involves techniques that enhance understanding and connection in relationships. Active listening requires fully concentrating, understanding, responding, and remembering what is being said. Nonviolent communication focuses on expressing oneself honestly and empathetically without blame or criticism. Empathy involves understanding and sharing the feelings of another person. Improved relationships are a key benefit of practicing mindful and empathetic communication. Creating a calm environment involves decluttering the space. Adding plants contributes to a peaceful atmosphere. Soothing colors can promote relaxation and reduce stress. Decluttering minimizes distractions and promotes focus. Plants improve air quality and bring a sense of nature indoors. Soothing colors create a visually harmonious environment. Embracing impermanence involves accepting the transient nature of all things. Acceptance of change allows for a reduction in the need for control. The practice of embracing impermanence cultivates inner peace and resilience. Letting go of control leads to a greater sense of freedom and adaptability. Finding purpose involves engaging in activities that resonate with one's core values. Aligning activities with personal passions enhances the sense of purpose and fulfillment. Meaningful activities contribute to a greater sense of well-being and life satisfaction. Identifying personal values is a crucial step in discovering activities that provide a sense of purpose. Passions serve as a compass, guiding individuals toward activities that ignite their enthusiasm and drive. Engaging in activities aligned with values and passions fosters a sense of meaning and direction in life. Celebrating progress is crucial for maintaining motivation and commitment. Acknowledgement of personal growth reinforces positive behaviors and fosters a sense of accomplishment. Regular self-assessment provides valuable insights into strengths and areas needing improvement. Visualizing achievements can significantly boost self-esteem and encourage continued effort. Combining celebration and acknowledgement creates a positive feedback loop that drives ongoing personal development. Integrating mindfulness practices can effectively reset the mind. Consistent practice of mindfulness techniques can relieve anxiety and promote relaxation. Cultivating inner peace through mindfulness leads to radiating positivity to others. These practices foster lasting peace and overall well-being.